there, it's Allison Merritt, and I am bringing an unboxing video today. I ordered 2 mugs created by Toni Street of Moon Lake Pottery. I wanted them for my new studio, and my colors, I don't really have a color scheme in the studio. When you see it, you'll understand. It's kind of a mishmash of colors. But my favorite colors are teal or turquoise and purple. Purple is my #1. And I have so many friends on Facebook that are artists, and I want like something from all of them to have in my studio and just be surrounded by creativity and things that are beautiful, and just that's what I want to do. So not just my artwork, but others' artwork or craft work or whatever you want to call it. Toni Street is amazing at ceramics. She makes beautiful bowls and mugs and just plates and all sorts of things. And I've been wanting something of hers forever. So I finally did it. And I ordered a couple mugs, and I'm going to open the package with you guys. So here we go. And I'm gonna be careful, don't worry. I know a lot of people get a little worried when I start using a razor blade, but I promise I won't cut myself. And if I do, I'll edit it out. All right, I am like so excited for this. I got to pick these out and purchase them from her, and she shipped them like immediately. So I had them within a matter of like 3 days. Oh, the first thing we have is a note. And we'll open it up. And it's a thank you. And it says, "Dear Allison, thank you so much for purchasing my handmade mugs. They are going to look great in your new studio. Hugs, Toni." Yes, Toni, they are going to look awesome in my new studio. I'm super excited. And along with that, she included a couple of her business cards. So if you want to order from Toni, she is an amazing artist, just absolutely amazing. She also does polymer clay. She creates canes, and she makes the most wonderful pens that are decorated with her canes. And let's see what else I have. Okay, this is good. These are my care instructions. Oh, okay, they're dishwasher and microwave safe. That's awesome to know. I hate hand washing things, but these are so super special that I will be hand washing them, and I'm not gonna let anybody else use them. They're only for me. Because they are going to be my morning coffee in the studio. All right, we got lots of peanuts in here. Let's see here. I'm gonna take them both out and then move this box. All right. Very, very carefully wrapped. That's awesome. We certainly don't want these getting broken. All right. Again, I will be super careful not to cut myself. And the first one, oh, wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I am in love. My husband's gonna try and steal this, I know, because this is kind of a manly size mug, but for that first coffee in the morning, this is going to be absolutely perfect. Look at that, look inside. Just look at the colors. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And it's dated and signed by Toni. Just amazingly smooth on the bottom. Wow, I am impressed, Toni. I mean, I was impressed anyway, but now that I've got your artwork in my hands, I am so impressed. This is gorgeous. All right, on to the next one. And the next one is purple. My favorite color. Oh, I am already seeing purple. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is beautiful. I am in heaven. And again, her signature stamp. And this one was actually created in 2018. Oh, wow. This is so gorgeous. Look at the inside. Oh, I'm trying to get a good shot so that you can see the inside is even. This is amazing. Wow. Thank you so much, Toni, for creating these and for letting me purchase them from you. This is just so awesome. Wow, look at this. These are gonna look beautiful in the studio. I am so excited. Now, if you would like to purchase from Toni, from Moon Lake Pottery, I am over the moon happy, and I'm sure that you will be too. I will also have this information in the description, but you can screenshot it too if you'd like. Excuse my gross fingers. I've been really working my butt off getting the studio together. And this is actually the first video coming out of the studio, but it's not complete. And I will have a studio tour video as soon as I get everything organized and in its place. But I wanted to share this with you today because I am just so happy and so excited. And thank you again, Toni. Thank you so much. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon. Bye.